The District Selection Committee, South Garo Hill District, Bagmara, invites online application for genuine citizen of India for the post of LDA, Gram Sevak, Sevika, Sericulture Demonstrator, Forester 1, Game Watcher, and Boatsman. Preference will be given to local candidates residing permanently in South Garo Hill District, Meghalaya, where the vacancies occur. So the last date for submission of the application form is 12 September 2024. Here are the different posts. Post number 1, post name LDA, number of post 12. For unreserved, 4 posts. For Garo, Khasi and Jaintia, 8 posts. Salary for the post of LDA, pay level 5 as per revised pay structure. Essential qualification, matriculation or SSLC passing with a certificate in computer application with a minimum speed of 30 words per minute to be ascertained in the technical speed. And number 2, post name Gram Sevak, number of post 9 for the unreserved 1, Garo Khasi and Jaintia 7 posts, OST and SC 1 post. So for the post of Gram Sevak, salary pay level 5 as per revised pay structure. Essential qualification for the post of Gram Sevak will be matriculation or SSLC pass. Every person appointed to be the post will undergo the training for Gram Sevaks. Candidates will be undergo a physical test. And number 3, post name Gram Sevika. Number post 1 for only for unreserved. Salary pay level 5 as per revised pay structure. Essential qualification, matriculation or SSLC pass. Every person appointed to the post will undergo the training program Sevika. Candidates will have to undergo a physical test. Number 4, post name Sericulture Demonstrator. Number of post 3 only for Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. So salary for the post of Sericulture Demonstrator will be pay level 5 as per revised pay structure. Essential qualification, matriculation or SSLC pass 15 months certificate course in sericulture. So anyone who wants to apply for the post of sericulture demonstration should have passed 15 months certificate course in sericulture. Number 5, post name Forest Guard. Number post 3 only for Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. The salary for the post of Forest Guard will be the pay level 2 as per revised pay structure. And the essential qualification for the post of Forest Guard will uh, apply for the SSLC pass and above or equivalent examination from recognized board. Candidate must have possessed the minimum physical standard fitness as per prescribed below. And number 1, age 18 to 30 years, height for males 160 centimeters and female 150 on expanded. Chest for male candidates 79 centimeters normal and 0.5 centimeter on expanded. Female 74 centimeters normal and 0.5 centimeter on expanded. And the minimum height for candidates belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe males, that is for scheduled tribes, the height is 152 centimeters for male candidate and 145 centimeters for female candidates who will have to undergo a physical test. Now let's move to the number 6, post name Forester 1, number post 7. For unreserved 1, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia 6 post, salary pay level 4 as per revised pay structure. Essential qualification, class 10 plus 2 pass and above an equivalent examination from recognized board. Candidate must have possessed the minimum physical standard fitness as prescribed below. Number 1, age 18 to 30 years. And for the scheduled tribes, males for the height who applied for the post of Forester 1 for male candidates should possess 152 centimeters and female 145 centimeters. So candidates will have to undergo a physical test. Number 7, post name Gatesman. Number of post 7, unreserved 1, Garo Kasi 6, salary available 1 as per revised pay structure. Essential qualification SSLC or matriculation pass and above are equivalent examinations from recognized board or institution. Number 8, post name game voucher. Number of post 4, for unreserved 1, Garo Kasi and 3, salary payable 1, essential qualification, matriculation pass. Number 9, post name boatsman, only for unreserved, that is 1 post, salary payable 1 and essential qualification class 8 pass and above. And the age limit for the vacancy post will be 18 to 32 years as of 1st of January 2024, and the upper age limit is flexible by 5 years over the upper age limit of 32 years in the case of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes candidates. That means for the scheduled tribes candidates can apply up to 37 years. How to apply for the DSC South Guru Hill Recruitment 2024 for the post of LDA, Gram Sevak, Civica, Forest Guard, and others. Candidates are required to register themselves with the District Selection Committee or the SC through the website https://southgarohills.jb.in using a valid email ID. The email ID will also be used for further correspondence by the office if required. Please see the instruction given on the website for applying for and payments. Apply online for DSC South Guru Hill Recruitment 2024. I will put the link on my description box so you can link through my uh, description box link so that you can apply for the post of LDA Gram Sevak Forest Guard under the DSC South Guru Hill Recruitment 2024. Apply online will be received up to 12 September 2024 and no application will be entertained after the closing date. So remember, all the candidates should apply on or before the 12th of September 2024. And also for the application fees, the applicant may pay the fees of hundreds for others or and 50 rupees for ST/SC candidate using any one of the following modes of payment, that is payment via debit card, ATM cards or net banking of all major banks, or you can pay through e-challenge or UPI. And also here are the instruction for how to upload the uh, recent color purpose site photograph in GPG formats along with the signature below. So the digital size of each file must be less than 50 kilobyte. And I hope you are all understand with the following post vacancy in the DSC South Guru Hills. So remember to take this opportunity. So please apply on or before 12th of September. If you are new viewers on my channel, I beg you please share, like, and subscribe so that you can get all notification regarding the employment news from now on. Thank you.